I'm Ted, and today we're going to do an exercise which is about using drawing as a tool for being mindful. Being mindful means being focused and aware of your thoughts and your feelings and your surroundings. You can do this exercise at any time of day. You can do it just to relax, to be creative, or just to bring yourself back to a focused environment. The important thing is, the end result isn't really important. What matters is the process of doing it and bringing your thoughts to a focused place. This is Holly, and she's going to take you through our warm-up. So before we draw, take a moment to notice your thoughts right now. How busy is your mind? And where else is your attention? Take a deep breath and take notice of your body. Do you feel any emotions in your body? Are you tense? We're going to stand up and we're going to do a shaky exercise to counts of 8, 4, 2, and 1. So we're going to shake our right hand 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Beautiful. All done. So now we've shook out, we can relax our muscles, and we're going to sit down and get on with the drawing exercise.